do the feed with me. So this is for the girls, this is for Roxy pony, this is for the boys, this is for the cow. Roxy needs some of this powder because she hates having fly spray on. So if you feed her this, it sweats out of her, smells a bit like curry powder, sweats out of her and then keeps the flies a little bit more at bay. We can just add some water to that. Give it a mix and she will be happy. It's hard to do with the phone in your hand. She will be more than happy with that. Wouldn't normally be feeding her like this in the summer, but because the grass is rubbish after the heat that we've had, she's needing topping up a bit. This is a little bit of sugar beet. And then U-nuts. And then carrot. She's pregnant, so she needs feeding. And then the boys have ram nuts. I should have used a bigger bowl for this one. But yeah, all done. Feed time. So that's the girls' bed. Can't actually video me putting it into the bowl because if I'm not quick enough, they forget they've got horns and they bash me out of the way. Roxy and Bee are a lot better behaved and don't bash me out of the way like the girls do. So we do Roxy first, old girl, so she doesn't get mad. And then Bee, there you go, sweetheart. Right, we'll see if the boys are more respectful than the girls. This way, pull it towards you. That's it. Come on then, boys. See? The one with the giant horns is not bashing me out of the way. He's just politely waiting for his food. He's bashing the other boys out of the way, but he's not bashing me out of the way. Very respectful boys. These are all rams. There's even a little bit more left in the bucket. Here you go, do you want to eat it out of the bucket? Here, if they won't let you in, here. Here, here, you daft thing. So they just arge and barge a little bit. Much better than the girls.
Wow.
Towards my legs.